Hello, good morning, friends. So, in this session, we again start the top 100 Java programs and solutions. Program with solution. Again, we start here. So, it is my 10th video of Java. So, in this video, we check the if else condition, means if else clause in Java. So, how we check the condition of Java, if else condition in Java, and how it executes, and we tell everything step by step. Don't be hesitant and don't be going fast. Take my video and see if in the last, and you can get the solution everything from if and else clause. So we can start our video from here. So you can start in your code in any editor, not mandatory for this. You can use only this, not it is mandatory. You can use any platform, any IDE for running your code. So here we use online platform because it is reliable and easy to use and show the output, so we use this. So in this, firstly we make one file, name is main.java, and after that we make code like, firstly we make one condition, means one class name. You can select anything of the name of class. So here we take class name condition because here we check the condition. If it is true, then this. Otherwise means else if condition follow else, then this condition should be satisfied. So after that we go on the main class. We making public static void main, and in under this we passing string arguments. And after that we taking one condition here. Learning, boolean learning is equal to true, means learning, what we take in learning is a type of boolean. So boolean value is always give two output only at a time. One in means you only give one output at a time, either true or false. Boolean satisfy only one condition at a time, means learning is a type of boolean. So here we take learning is true, means learning is yes. See, this is my condition. After that we apply if and else condition on learning, because I take you also take learning equal to false, and then apply something if learning is this and then this. After that I will show everything, don't be hesitate. After that we print anything, means if learning is equal to true, then this. Otherwise, if learning is equal to false, then we say that for false condition in else part. So we put if condition is not satisfied, then our output goes on the else part. So we close this, and after that we take the else part. So if learning is equal to false, then what our output is going to be, what are you doing here? So after that we closing this and we close the all brackets. So it's my program, and if we going to put run, so you can see here the output of our code, means output is Java programmer. Means what this print the Java programmer. How and why this is print? Because we give the condition learning is equal to true, and we check if learning is equal to true, then Java programmer is to be executed. Otherwise, what are you doing here? So you can also check one condition. If here we edit the condition of true, means you by your choice we put here false, then what you expect the output? Means learning condition is false, means if condition is not to be executed. If only is executed only when if condition is satisfied to be true. So if here learning is equal to false, so you can press on run, then you see here output is to be what are you doing here. So it's our output. I hope you clear your point. I clear your point and you easily understand this. And please like and subscribe for upcoming video, and you follow these all 100 question. You must be pushed for the Java programming question. Thank you dears.